Well, clearly the incident that continues in Uttar Pradesh at this juncture, the tragedy that continues in Uttar Pradesh with politics also being played. Now remember, of course, while the wife has said that such reactions should not be coming in, it is politics that is raging on over this killing.
The gunning down of an Apple executive Vivek Tiwari by a UP cop has placed the Yogi government in a tight spot. The cops allegedly shot the man in a car for not stopping despite their signal. While the accused cop who shot Tiwari dead was arrested, the state government has ordered an SIT probe.
राज्य सरकार की जो SIT जांच चल रही है और पांडे सर की नेतृत्व में जो भी चल रही है, मैं उससे सहमत हूँ। मुझे भरोसा है कि वो मुझे निष्पक्ष जांच कर मुझे सही रिजल्ट देंगे। मुझे निष्पक्ष जांच चाहिए। मुझे CBI जांच में मैं 2 साल 3 साल वेट नहीं कर सकती हूँ।
लखनऊ परिक्षेत्र के IG श्री सुजीत पांडे की अध्यक्षता में SIT का गठन करके हम इस पूरी घटना की तह में जाएंगे और दोषियों को सख्त से सख्त सजा भी उपलब्ध कराएंगे।
The Apple executive who was going to drop a co-worker late in the night was first asked to stop by 2 cops in Lucknow. The family and eyewitnesses claim that the cops chased and shot at him when he did not stop. A bullet hit him on the head, killing him on the spot. The cop arrested for the murder, however, has a different theory. He claims Tiwari repeatedly tried to run his SUV over him and the gun went off upon impact.
गाड़ी उसने टक्कर मार के मैंने कहा भैया इस सारे से बात होनी थी, नीचे आइए। वो नहीं आया। उसने फिर गाड़ी रिवर्स ली, फिर ऊपर चढ़ाई, फिर गाड़ी रिवर्स ली, फिर ऊपर चलाई। इतने में नीचे गिरा हुआ था, पिस्टल निकाली डराने के लिए। वो लोड थी पहले से ही और वो चले गई। ना ही मैंने निशाना लगाया, मतलब मेरा कोई ना उद्देश्य था उसके चलाने का।
The killing by Yogi's cop has led to a furious political war of words. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal accused BJP government of killing a Hindu. The Congress saw a plot to hush up the case by calling it an encounter death.
अगर आपने जरा भी ढील दे दी होती तो विवेक तिवारी को इन्होंने, उस मृतक को इन्होंने अपराधी घोषित कर देना था।
इसमें DGP हों या प्रदेश के चीफ मिनिस्टर हों, उन्होंने इसको एनकाउंटर कहा ही नहीं है। उन्होंने स्वयं कहा है कि यह एक हत्या हुई है, हादसा हुआ है। इस पर राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए। इस पर राजनीति तब करनी चाहिए थी या बात तब कहनी चाहिए थी जब हमारी तरफ से कार्यवाही में कोई कमी रहती।
UP cops under CM Yogi Adityanath have a series of encounter killings to their credit. Are they turning trigger happy?
The family members have been assured compensation and a government job from the state government, but will it end their sorrows? This is the big question which family members and everyone is asking. They are pleading in front of Chief Minister since last 2 days. They are saying that Chief Minister himself should come and meet them to assure that justice is delivered to them, but CM is only making promises. He has assured full cooperation but is still not willing to meet the bereaved family. In Lucknow with camera person Sanjay Singh, Nilanshu Shukla for India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.